The city is a circuit board, and we are the current. Wires humming beneath the pavement, telling us where to turn, when to breathe. I'm looking for the glitch. I'm looking for the space between the seconds.
I am the ghost in your machine. I am the light you haven't seen. Just let go.
Is a confession. The ego dissolves into the frequency. We aren't individuals anymore. We are a single heartbeat, synchronized by the strobe.
In the echo we find the light. In the silence we start the fight. Digital heart, analog soul, losing the pieces to stay whole.
Breathe in.
The weight of the world.
Breathe out.
The static and the noise.
The drop is everything.